Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace O2 sensor Nissan Frontier step by step. Jack the truck, secure it with jack stands, and disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting work. Use an O2 sensor socket to loosen the old sensor, count turns, then apply anti-seize to the new sensor threads and thread by hand to avoid cross-threading. Reconnect the connector, clear codes, and perform a short test drive to confirm repair. Begin with the sensor location and the diagnostic trouble code to confirm which sensor needs replacement. Apply penetrating oil, wait a few minutes, and use an O2 sensor socket with a breaker bar to break the sensor free. Take care to protect wiring and connectors as you remove the old sensor to prevent damage. Inspect the harness and connector for corrosion, then compare the old sensor to the new one before installation to ensure proper fit and connector type. If you found this repair walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps support the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes life easier when you finish greasy jobs and want a quick clean. Check the description for the link and other deals and see the exact model shown here. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. First, confirm the replacement sensor matches the old part and connector pinout exactly. Lightly coat the threads with anti-seize, keeping compound off the sensing tip, then start the sensor by hand to avoid cross-threading. Use the proper torque and a sensor socket to snug it to specification, reconnect the electrical connector, and secure any heat shields or clips. Reconnect the battery, clear codes with a scanner, and monitor readiness monitors during a brief road test to verify the repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.